All right, today we're going to go over the basic building blocks of persuasive and expository paragraph writing. Okay, so as we mentioned in class, we color code each of the different components of our planning, starting with the hook, followed by topic sentence, supporting details, explanations and examples, and concluding sentences. So as a refresher to remind you what each of these different building blocks does, the hook's job is to start the paragraph off in an interesting way that grabs the reader's attention and makes the reader want to continue to read. It does not state the topic sentence, but it is going to be something that is related to it. The topic sentence job is to let the reader know what the paragraph is actually about. It is the statement that identifies the main idea of the paragraph. Supporting details. So the job of supporting details are obviously to provide key information or key points that support the topic sentence. And the emphasis here is supporting the topic sentence. Each detail must directly relate to the topic sentence. And any expository or persuasive paragraph, you should have a minimum of 3 supporting details. And the explanations or examples are a way that are connected to the individual supporting details. So each supporting detail should have an explanation or an example that helps to add clarity or provide some kind of support for each detail. And lastly is the concluding sentence. So the concluding sentence job is either tie off the writing and finish the paragraph, or if you're writing a multi-paragraph essay, it's going to serve as a transitional sentence that will spring the reader into the next paragraph. So, in a standard expository or persuasive paragraph, if you were to actually break it down and piece it together, it should look like this, with the hook being the very first thing, followed by the topic sentence. And now as you look down, you can see that supporting details, they alternate with the examples or explanations. And as you can see, the examples or explanations are directly attached to each other. And so they are, in essence, married, and each of them is in support of the other. And then lastly, obviously, is the concluding sentence. And that will do a few different things, including challenge the reader, summarize, encourage, or eventually spring the reader into the next paragraph. In the next section, we're going to actually take a paragraph, we're going to break it down, we're going to compare it to this model.